What are the benefits of Swegon fan performance for a VHE DOAS system? Fan energy comprises a substantial amount of energy use in a commercial HVAC system. Swegon fans are mixed flow plenum with direct drive electrically commutated or EC motors. Variable speed EC motors offer the best efficiency in part load applications, demand control ventilation, versus premium efficiency motors with VFDs. Swegon fan design and performance is model specific with accurate fan curves to allow for precise design and system energy conservation. Each fan is dynamically balanced at the factory to ensure its intended performance is met in the field. All fans include integrated, accurate airflow measurement sensors to allow for direct control of airflow in the system. The airflow is adjusted in real time as an example for air density correction, filter loading, and system pressure changes to ensure ventilation comfort is always met. The fans are engineered for strict acoustical performance by attenuating sound and vibration internally. No external isolation is required. All Swegon fans are designed to be serviced quickly by trained staff. Swegon fans are mechanically and electrically connected with quick release harnesses. This is designed to replace a fan with minimal tools in a matter of minutes. With our efficient Swegon fans, we designed to meet stringent energy codes such as the City of Seattle of 0.5 watts per CFM or the Washington State Energy Code of 0.769 watts per CFM. On behalf of MSI, NIA, and Swegon, thank you for watching our educational series on very high efficiency DOAS. Please reach out to your local MSI representative to learn more about our Swegon systems.